Hello everyone, I'm Ligo. Today's topic is Yunho and Seohyun fortune harmony analysis. A YouTube subscriber has applied for the fortune harmony between Yunho and Seohyun. They are so wonderful and beautiful just by looking at them. The atmosphere of fortune was very unique. Let's analyze it together. Yunho is a jewel in fortune. Julie has a clean, delicate personality and pride that he is special. Seohyun is a rich land in fortune. Rich land takes good care of itself and is very realistic. Julie doesn't like to meet the land. This is because the shining light of the jewel is buried in the ground. First of all, it's not a good meeting, and they have a union in their fortune. Yunho is allied with the letters that correspond to honor and children. He is very honor-oriented and does not have recklessly. There are many people who are in alliance with honor, who have a neat face and are handsome to observe. And Seohyun is in alliance with the letters that mean honor and husband. Seohyun also aims for a very exemplary life. And since she is united with honor, Seohyun has a beautiful face and neat and straight. And Yunho's blue box below contains very strong energy. It reminds me of soldiers and police officers who are oriented toward honor and have strong energy. Seohyun is very interested in studying and writing, and she is very interested in academic acceptance and information collection. It's an honor-oriented and very exemplary look. Like this, they have something in common, that the atmosphere of fortune is honor-oriented, but it's a little different. Yunho is always competitive because he has a rival right next to the letter that means himself. He is also competitive, and his alliance with the letters that mean honor with children. Next, there is another letter that means honor. Next to it is a very powerful letter that means woman and wealth. I think he will meet a very good and smart wife. I think he will have a good family because of the strong energy of his children and strong energy. But you don't see the energy to be nice to women, do you? There is a possibility to becoming a little blunt husband. However, having wealth and honor in social activities suggests that he can become a leader, be charismatic, and live in abundance. However, I think he would have succeeded even if he had a job as a police officer or a soldier due to strong energy. Seohyun is united with the energy that corresponded to man. This means that when she meets a man, she doesn't break up easily and get a lot of love for a long time. And there are letters that mean art and children. Unlike Yunho, there are letters that correspond to art. So it's a fortune that can be used more as an entertainer. Yunho must have worked hard as a hard worker based on competition. Seohyun has input energy, so she plays a good role in academic acceptance and information acquisition, and has the same energy as herself, which supports artistic activities. They had good conditions because they had both real spouse and child energy in their fortunes. But as you've seen before, the atmosphere of a fortune is slightly different, right? There's not much overall energy flow. I'll give them 85% of their fortune balance score. I hope you succeeded in everything you do in the future and be happy. Thank you. Subscribe, thumbs up please. Thank you very much. Bye.